Hey boy! Hey! He enjoying playing with the snow. You see the way that we already shovel for 3 times. This is the third time. The snow is about 1 foot. It means 30 centimeters height. My husband, he start the engine of the snow mower, sorry. I'm not yet used to the word of English yet. And sometimes my husband laugh at me because he said that people watching your videos, maybe they will laugh at you a lot. So I said, that's fine, because at least you can enjoy and have fun with my videos. Is it correct? Now he's running the snow mower, which we will make money by asking people for our service. My son is 15 now, and the other is 11. He making snowman there. The sun is a little bit rising, so hopefully everybody will feel warm a little bit from the winter. Happy winter, and waiting for Christmas coming. He is my husband. He tried to move the snow out of the way before they become ice. And this is my 2 children still playing with the snow. condom inside. Hopefully our business is running okay. Because we don't have job yet. So I called them to go inside and have lunch together. Sunday, and I cook rice for the lunch time. And this one is the soup, a kind of sour, sweet and sour. And this one like we steam the rice when I put this one inside so that it's cook itself. This is beef and mushroom and egg and fish paste, so that it's a little bit Asian smell, and my children, they like it a lot.
Hi.
This is our simple lunch, and the meat is tuna, canned tuna, because we don't have fish. So if you have fresh fish, it's much more better.
Hello, I'm the editor of my mom's channel. Yay.
My neighbor, he tried to say something. Oh, he asking my husband about how the machine run. We have very good neighbors.